Shall we start now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. I'm admitting, means meanwhile also I'll be admitting as and when people will come. But let us start our work. Now, if you can see, I'm sharing the screen and just see the syllabus first because that is most important for you as exam is coming. So see this syllabus. Now, this is the thing which I have been teaching, right? Okay. So internet tools we have means this day we will discuss about this CMAP concepts. And there are so many tools which works in Classroom 2.0. Okay. Blog I have taught you, but I have not, I'm very discouraged that our students are not used. If somebody has his mic on, please mute your mic. Harshad? Okay, fine. Is there anyone? Still, somebody's mic is on. Please mute your mic. Request you. So that you can have a clarity of voice. See, blogging, which I have taught you, but I am not satisfied with your efforts. If you have prepared any blog, then do let me know. I can help you to promote your blog. I can help you professionally that you can definitely grow also. You can earn money also. This is serious, this is life, this is money, right? So please try. अभी थोड़ा टाइम है, फ्री है, कोरोना में कुछ ज्यादा कुछ काम नहीं है तो ये कर लो, बहुत काम का है. Then today we will discuss about the CMAP. What is CMAP? I'll show you. And then also we will see some of the, some of the things which you have not seen up to now, which are really beautiful. And these are all, see, these are all tools that we need to use. And these tools comes into Classroom 2.0 also. And these tools also come into the search engine also, and the e-learning and m-learning also. But there is no clear demarcation is given. So I'm just creating or collecting all the tool together. So let's start. So here the syllabus. Let us start with this C mapping. This is a really good one. That's just 1 minute is opening. This is called CMAP, right? That is called concept map also. Now, concept map is a tool used in education as well as in training as well as in knowledge management programs, right? It is also used for brainstorming. It is also used for organizing information. And one of my teachers when I was in AMED used to teach me, her name was Professor Samta Emmanuel. She used to teach me with the help of concept map only. Whatever topic is there, she designed a concept map, she designed the map, and she used to teach with that only. This is really wonderful, right? Okay, I am really indebted to her for her concept map work, right? Okay, and I'm sure you will also enjoy this particular process. Now, concept mapping require a kind of a software. One of the software I showed you last time, and that software is Mind Manager or Mind Master. This is the software, right? I'm just opening it. This is Mind Manager. Here you can have a lot of kind of so means lot of kind of maps or concept map you can design, you can do, you can use. And
Hello.
हाँ बोलिए.
Sir, sorry to disturb you. Please, students are waiting in a lobby. Please do join them.
Okay, just 1 minute. Huh? I'll do it. Oh, yes, sorry. There are more, very much. Okay. I think 63 have come now. Okay. In between, some are also moving. I don't know why they are left. Maybe because of the poor connections, or maybe deliberately, I don't know. And I don't even care also, very frankly. See, we don't want your attendance. We want your attention. At the higher education, we don't force the students to come in the classroom and learn from us. We want them to be a knowledge partner, be a learning partner, and let us learn together and let us grow together, right? So it is your choice. you don't come, doesn't matter. But if you don't come, it is at your loss only, because you enroll for something which is really helping you to grow, which is really helping you to make money. And if you are not able to handle that well, what is the use of wasting time? Yes or no? Ask yourself. Some more students are there, let me admit, so we can go ahead. Now, this concept map is something which is really good. Please remember, there is a website. Please write down this website. The name of this website is Tools for Learning 2020. That is Tool for Learning. I'll share the link in the group also, 121 teachers. I said, just only I share with the two links about language, right? This also I will share with you. This is a very good survey website, which is providing the list of best tools available. I'll show you. Let me open up in a new bar so you will come to know this is not about CMAP. It is about all the learning app in the world. See from here, right? Top tools for learning. Now these are the tools. Let me make it big so you can see. Yeah, now you can see. I think this is too much big. Okay. Now you can see from here, right? These are the tools. These are ranking also. Number one learning tool around the world is YouTube. What is the category? Web resources. Then second is Zoom. Third is Google search. Then means PowerPoint. And there are so many tools are there. Certain tools you will enjoy like anything, like Feedly. Feedly is a wonderful tool. I think you should go for it. You'll enjoy like anything. I don't want to open right now because it will take time, and I just don't want to deviate right now today to just finish something. Then I told you earlier also, Vimeo. Vimeo is really good. Vimeo is, again, I'm telling you, this is a very, very important software which can help you to develop your own videos also. Okay? And they have this particular thing, top 100. That is, who are the top 200 softwares in the world for education, for learning. So they have the list here, right? Which was earlier. Then, what are the top 100 tools for PL, WL, and education? So what is PL here? PL means personal learning. WL means workplace learning, and Ed means education. So we'll go for education, top 100 education. You can see here, YouTube is again PowerPoint, Zoom, Google Docs, Words, Search, Classroom, Microsoft Team, Google Meet, WhatsApp. Now इसमें से एक भी ऐसा है जो आपको नहीं मालूम है top 10 में से. Everything you know, right? Okay, and these are the world's best software for teaching and learning. Now let us go ahead. Canva. Canva I have showed you on the very first day, right? If I have not shown you, again I'll show you. Have I showed these things earlier? Have you seen Canva earlier? Yes, say yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll show you today only. Let us start Canva. Okay, next is Padlet. It is also a very interactive software. It can help you to develop quiz as well as games as well as interactive video also. Kahoot, you have seen the power of Kahoot now, okay? And today
Yes,
I have also decided to prepare, I have prepared one game for you that is about me only, Know Your Teacher. It's a funny game and we are going to play. Only 10 questions. Are you ready? Later on? Okay. Then Google Form. Now, this is also very important, right? See, Google Form is not about just getting the information. You can prepare questions also. And nowadays, all your question papers are prepared in Google Forms only, right?
yes,
Then
sir.
Moodle. Moodle, you know now. Just now only Josna madam must have discussed about the Moodle, right now? Anna?
Yes,
Okay, when she
yes,
has
sir.
given the information
Yes,
about the enrollment and all these things. This is, which already I have opened here, Flipgrid. Now, this is a wonderful platform for video feedback, and we will see today. WordPress. I'm not going to read 100 one. I just want to see that we show that this is a very powerful thing, and 60% of software of the top 100 list are free. Then why should we not use it? WordPress. Now, WordPress is just like a blogger providing a platform for blogging also and website also. Then Facebook and Wikipedia and Gmail, Skype, Prezi. Prezi is just like a PowerPoint, but it is using some other kind of technique. When you use, you will come to know. That Mentimentor, Twitter, Canvas, so many things are there. Let us start seeing one by one, because list is not important. I'm going to give this list as a link in your group. You can see, you can explore. रोज एक को देखना है, एक को खोल के देखो, मजा आएगा. And you have information also. Let us start with Vimeo. It's a power of video at your fingertip. You can join free. It has its own way of working. It is really nice. And you can also see they are also helping you to create Vimeo. That means how to create video, how to create all these things they are also providing. The most important thing here is that अगर आपको YouTube पे अपना career बनाना है, I'll tell you the real story. Yeah, before let us stop this and listen to this. I'll tell you the real story. Actually, what happened that 2 years back there was a girl, and she had certain issues in her pregnancy, and she was not able to go to job, and she was also facing the problem of money also. So she wanted to do something, and she was having some kind of fear also. She didn't wanted to face the public. So what she has done that I have advised that she has started a YouTube channel in which what she has done, she has prepared Gujarati PowerPoint. All the local examinations like Talati, Nayak Mamlatdar, all these local examinations, government examinations, they have question banks, you must be knowing, right? So what she has done that she has formatted more than 10,000 questions on the power slide in question and in quiz form on PowerPoint only, and then she gave a voice at the back. So the line comes, she reads the line, and then 2 or 3 seconds gap. Four options are there. She also allows read those options and give 4 seconds to think, and then the answer comes. Her video became so popular that first time in 3 months she got the check of 20,000. Right after 3 months of starting. The moment she got 22,000, the moment she got the money, she came and she told me that this is the first salary or first earning of me, and that is also at home. Then she has become so much encouraged that she has decided to go deep into it. She started right now. She's learning video editing also, animation also, and doing wonderful work. This is a real story, and this can be of yours also with free tools, right? So think about video. Vimeo can be expensive to you. YouTube Academy cannot be expensive. So I told you about this at last moment, right? A video, means YouTube Creator Academy, you should use. Next is Canva. Now see this Canva. It is a tool for Classroom 2.0. I have my own account here. So you can go to this account. It means you can see the work. Whatever I am providing you, see all these things, right? Up to now, I think I have provided two, no? Two. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 already prepared, right? Why? It is so easy in Canva. You can see the other.
Sir, the slide cannot be seen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I have. Yeah, just one
Screen
minute. Huh? Understood, right. Thank you. Sorry for that. Okay. Now you will be able to see. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, here we are, Canva. So this is Canva software. This is a wonderful software, right? This is called Canva. You can design anything, and this is true. You can go for a logo, you can go for Instagram post. If you are a social media buff, you really like to see or present yourself on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. They have custom things, right? All the things that you need, it is here, right? For social media, for event, for marketing, for document, for printing, for video, for school, everything is available. I will show you my design. These are my designs, which I am giving you, right? Every day. So these designs are prepared in Canva only, right? Even those pictures, every day one word is coming, is also prepared in Canva only. Apart from that, This is the book of one of my friend, which he told me to apply. So I'm just preparing his book in Canva only, right? Like this. Then apart from that, this is the logo. Even logo is also prepared in Canva only, right? Why I'm showing this is a very powerful software which has lots of facility. Even I have prepared this also, I'll tell you. Uh, it will come, yes. This is a photo book which I have prepared for some educational purpose. So this is also prepared in Canva only. So you can see. Okay, it has more than 200 photographs. So I'm sorry I cannot show you everything, but point here is that you can do anything. People have run their own business on this free tool, you know. You can do anything. These are my creations. I'm showing you my collections. I'm showing you the things which I used to teach, right? I used to do. These are the things which I have created up to now, right? I have the school also. So this is the school means banner which I have prepared here in Canva. Okay, you can see this. Okay, and then I have also done so many things, and you can do so many things. It's not about I, it's about you, right? You can do wonderful thing is this particular software. What you need to do, just you require an email ID and you need to just log in with your Gmail, nothing else. It's free for you at certain level. I am using the Pro one. I'm using the Pro one. Why? Because teachers are given certain facilities here, right? But you can have a free account also, and free account also has a wonderful thing. I'll let us take one thing and design something. Suppose you want to design PPT. Just click on Premise PPT. Now see, they have custom made PPTs like this. You can just take one PPT and then see, when you click on it, you will find that this is of same theme. You can directly take it, okay, and you can see this, right? Then next slide, directly take this, you can see this. Then add page next, directly take this and see this. Here you need to change it, nothing else. Okay, people have done that only, just change. Templates are, ready-made templates are there, you need to change, nothing else. Okay. Here, the C mapping, concept of C mapping can be taught very nicely. They call infographics or concept mapping. So infographics, okay. The concept mapped can be done very well with the help of infographics. These are the infographics. Ready-made infographics are available. You can take, suppose those who are a student of see Better's health tip. Now अभी इसको PowerPoint में या फिर Word में type करेंगे तो कोई देखेगा नहीं. But if you do it this way, people like to listen. Yes or no? Like this. See. Okay. And this is just a one suggestion. You can see the best time for social media. So if you prepare a timetable and give to your student that to do this is you can prepare for yourself also, you can prepare for your student also. Okay, you can see everybody is going to use social media. We have to just help them to find out at which time they should go for, and for certain time they should go for, not all days like that. Same thing. This is timeline. Timeline means what? कि भाई आप मीन्स 2000 मीन्स आप 2001 में पैदा हुए हैं और अभी 2021 चल रहा है, तो 20 साल में आपने क्या क्या किया, तो आप टाइमलाइन के हिसाब से ऐसे बता सकते हैं, राइट? जितने भी नए रिज्यूमे आ रहे हैं उसमें से टाइमलाइन होती है कि इन 2007 आई वाज एट दिस स्कूल, इन 2008 आई वाज एट दिस कॉलेज, इन 2009 आई वाज एट दिस कंपनी, एंड इन 2014 आई एम हियर, लाइक दैट. They prepare this way and now they are showing this way. This is creativity. Okay, even I'll show you one more thing you can check here. Infographics तो बहुत सारे हैं, इतने हैं कि आप थक जाओगे देखते देखते, इतने infographics है. So check on your own, right? But educational infographics. So education में भी क्या है, देखो बहुत सारे हैं. देखो ये this is my favorite. Very simple but very effective. Help your child. Just 1 minute. Help means how reading helps the children. So all the points are very nice, but they are written in a very simple language anyone can understand, right? If you're not able to see, I'll show. These are other ways also. Just 1 minute. Fill. Now you can see, right? Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, see what you can do. You can give your own idea, and here you can write your own name because this is your idea. Okay, that's the beauty. See, this is timeline. This timeline is of Albans. This is the timeline inspired by Benjamin Franklin. Now here you can have your own timing, and this is your timeline. That's it. Okay. So this way you can think of, and this way you can do it. Okay. Now wait for 1 minute. I'll show you something else also. These are called concept maps. And these maps are prepared very well with the help of softwares like MindMasters and Mind Managers. Teach this way, it will really help you. It will help you to brainstorm also. Okay? This is the I think right now, today, if you really want to develop yourself as a speaker, this is the best app that is called Flipgrid. Here you have the facility for video discussion. See, video discussion, Flipgrid. And this is used by from pre-K to PhD educators. That means junior KG से लेके बड़े बच्चे तक सभी use करते हैं. Just 1 minute, my data pack is going to expire. Let me change it. Just 1 minute. Huh? Okay. Now, are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, see, this is a wonderful website where you can means you can give video feedback yourself. That means you can prepare. See, in AMED we have given one assignment that they have to prepare 3 minute speech and they have to give here, right? So here what happens that you learn how to be on public also. At the same time, you learn this software also. It is so nice. You can do so many creativity also. And it has not only the function of video feedback only, you can teach with the help of this software also. And this software has so many functions that students will love to engage. See, many times they are not able to answer, but they, एक कौन है भाई साथ में इस तरफ? Please request you to please mute yourself. Okay? Many times you hesitate. But this platform is really helping so beautifully that people really love to give feedback. And everybody don't shy away to be on video. Okay, you will enjoy like anything. So this is Flipgrid. We will also learn. See, all these people have used Flipgrid. Then the next is TED. This is something which I always request my students to go for because TED Talks are one of the world's best talk. You find a talk on any damn thing right now. आपको personal growth पे चाहिए, click करिए. You will find a lot of TED. और personal growth पे क्या चाहिए? Self improvement. Click it on self improvement. Go to next. You have more than 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 talk. Why it is so? Now they are looking for my account. Let me edit. I have it. Just 1 minute. Let me add it. Okay, they are going to create the account. I don't want to create the account. Just I want to show because it will take more time. Let us right now see. These are the see you here. Just go to search and whatever
Hello,
topic
sir.
that you want to learn. Yes.
So one student is waiting in lobby. I guess Neetu is waiting.
I'll be going right. No problem. Okay, sure. Admitted. Thanks for it. Now, see, suppose you want to learn something. My favorite topic is body language. So I want to learn about body language. So when I write body language here these are the best talks in the world on this particular thing, and these are the best speaker in the world, right? Are there? Now, point here is that who are these people? Suppose Amy Cuddy. Let us talk on this. Now, Amy Cuddy is one of the social psychologists, and she has written a book called Presence. Means how to feel, make people feel your presence. And she has given the concept of power posing. How to you can pose in the public so people feel your power, right? She is so popular because she is booked for a year in advance. That way she is so popular. And TED is always choosing those people who are expert in their field. Those have some kind of a new level of work. You can see here, I'll show you. That is her talk. I'm just looking. Are you able to see the talk?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
It's
Yes,
visible, huh? Okay. So the way she speaks, and she gives, it's so wonderful. You will be like anything. And please remember, these people are also provided training, right? These people are not just the people from here and there. They have also their own way, right? They were given training, and then only they speak. Best gesture I found in this person. That is power of vulnerability. I'm observe her hand. See the quality, the way she speaks. Are you getting? So this is the power,
Yes, sir.
right? Now see, listening to save.
सर अब वीडियो का आवाज भी ऑन रखा है
Sorry.
वीडियो की आवाज भी ऑन है क्योंकि आवाज मतलब वी कांट हियर इट
नहीं मेरा
सर
are you
आपका
getting my
वॉइस
voice?
ब्रेक हो रहा है.
मेरा वॉइस आ रहा है?
ब्रेक हो रहा है
ब्रेक हो रहा है सर.
Okay, fine. Just 1 minute. Wait for 1 minute. I will do something. Okay, wait because my internet is gone. That is why this problem has happened. Just wait for 1 minute. I'll be doing something.
ओके सर.
सर आप म्यूट हो।
Hello, sir. Your voice is not audible.
Am I now audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. I'm sorry, I need to borrow the phone from Bhumika madam, because what happened that I was facing the issue of my internet pack, and today somehow MSU internet is also not working. So sorry for this 5 minute break there. Huh? Sorry for that. Now again, we are going to start our work. Uh, that I'm just sharing the screen. Kindly just go through it. Uh, this is uh, this is called Flipgrid. You must see this. It is a wonderful thing, and I'm sure you will enjoy like anything. Then we have talked about TED Talk. Yeah. TED Talk I really like because they have a wonderful speaker with a wonderful point, wonderful logic. Right? The way they speak, the way they use body language, the way they use their own way of working. Now see this one. This one I have gone through. That is 3 lessons on success from this businesswoman. Okay, so I request you, and these are all the best people in the world, and they have given their story here. So here I'm just leaving this site, but TED is the best option for you to understand and learn. Okay, so do it, use it. Okay, and these are all experts. These are all experts here. Okay, so use this website for your knowledge. Next is Camtasia. Now Camtasia I have been using from last 3 years, and this is the wonderful screen recorder and video editor. If you want to edit your video, this is something which is the most easiest, and it is the most loved software throughout the world by the teachers, because you can record yourself, you can do so many things, you can even earn also, you can also do this type of screencasting and so many other things. You can also edit those screencasting and so n number of things you can do. I'll show you the software also directly. Okay, I have deleted from here, and I have added to my home library because I have only one license, so I added to my home library. But it's okay. You can see from here, this is a wonderful software, and you will find. See, I should not speak this thing on the platform, but if you're not able to pay the money, you can also have the other kind of versions available in the market also, right? You can just need to search only, and you can use. Even you can go for free trial or with different email accounts also. So for 14 days, they are providing free trials. So add one account with free trials, and then the next one like that. If you like it, then you can go for so many other things. Now they are providing 30 days trial, free trial. So I'm sure you will enjoy like anything. And they have inbuilt asset. Whatever videos I have prepared up to now is prepared with the help of this only. Okay, this is Camtasia. Next is Evernote. Now Evernote is a note-taking app. Okay, I am using, it's just 1 minute. I am using Google Keep. This is the one. Okay, this is the also note-taking app, and Evernote is also note-taking app. Both are having the same function. Like in Evernote, you have plans. That means you have to pay money, right? Whereas, as well as in Google Keep, it is by Google. That means it is standard, and you don't have to pay money, right? I have the other account in which all the notes are there. I'm just showing you the one empty account. But point here is that this is free, and you can have your all the data here. The most important thing about Keep is that you change the phone. N number of phones can be changed on Android devices. Once you log in with the same account, you will have all the Keep notes with you. So it is just like a drive note for you. Then this is a wonderful software for you. It means website for you or app also for you, and that is Pocket. Now, आपने कुछ नेट पे पढ़ा, बस आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा, लेकिन उसकी मीन्स then you want to preserve it also. तो हम क्या करेंगे बाद में, मीन्स यहाँ ये स्टार होता है, देखा है ना, गूगल क्रोम में ये स्टार है यहाँ, तो we'll click it and we will bookmark it. Yes or no? लेकिन बुकमार्क भी कब खुलेगा? जब आपके पास इंटरनेट होगा. Pocket is a wonderful means app in which you can add these links. आप इस ये जो लिंक है गेट पॉकेट की, चलो ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, यहाँ इसको कॉपी करके मैं सीधा पॉकेट में डाल दूंगा, तो होगा क्या, यू कैन एक्सेस दैट पेज ऑफलाइन ऑल्सो, एनीवेयर एनी टाइम यू वांट. That's the beauty of this particular software. Then just 1 minute. This is concept map, we know that, so nothing to worry. Lucidchart is one of the best website where you can means you can have a wonderful free maps you can prepare, and they're also teaching how to prepare maps. Okay, and they are taught in such a nice manner that you will enjoy also. It has all the interface of Microsoft Paint only, so you will enjoy. And they have the what is concept map, key features of concept map, why to use concept map, everything is given here, right? Okay. Lucidchart. I'll give you. I'll send everything. Nothing to worry. Okay. So this is the one.
Okay.
Then this Reading Rocket is not a website for you. They have given a wonderful presentation on what is the use of concept map. So you have to write something about concept map, right? They are also providing blank template. When you click on it, it will be downloaded. Just 1 minute. Internet is always issue here, right? Okay, it's happening. So see, they are providing ready-made templates. You can give this template directly to your student. They can directly write here. See, I'm writing here. I can write here. Okay, so e-templates are available where you can write anything that you want to write, and you can give. Even this is given to your student also. Students can also prepare concept map and they can submit back to you. Clear? So this is the website. I'll be saying the name of the website is Reading Rocket. Now, please remember, this is a beta supported website. That means this website is one of the world's best top 10 website जो होती है ना यूनिसेफ के बाद उस पे है ये. और इसका सबसे बड़ा काम क्या है? How to teach to read. So Reading Rocket is something which, if आपके घर में छोटा बच्चा है, if you just open Reading Rocket, he or she will enjoy like anything, right? This is the best website to teach reading. Okay. Now, are you ready for it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
today will be a little bit brief. Okay, today we will be a little bit brief and we will be finishing. Okay, I have only 10 questions for you. Okay, let us start. Okay, this is the game I'm going to make you play, right? So करना क्या है? I just add this on a virtual program, teach. Now pin will come. Go to a browser and write Kahoot it. Okay, fine. So shall we start?
Game pin. Game pin.
It will come. It will come. Yeah, loading. Game pin will come. Wait. Now it is the game pin. It's 9395696. And please remember, we don't have many questions. We have only 8 or 9 questions. Okay. We are not here for just see the power for that only. Kalyani has joined. Then Niku, Nancy, you can give any kind of name, any funny name that you want to give, you can give. So, are you getting? See, we don't have time, right? Please remember, you have to also go do so many work. And right now, only 26 people have joined. So I think these people might be having net, or other people might be having net issue. So I'm sorry for that, but we have to go ahead. So we'll be going ahead with this 26, or those who want to join, they can join later also. Let us start with this 26. Or those who want to join, quickly join. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, this is a game pin. Join it quickly. Have you joined? Okay, from here only. Okay. 28. Let us wait for 30 and then we'll start. There is two more. Okay, 30 has happened. So let us start the work. Those who can join, they can join later also, no problem, right? Okay, let us start the work. We are starting. Start. Get to know your teacher. 1, 2, 3. First question. What is the name of your teacher? People has given the answer. So should I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. And 30 all the 30 were right. ये दो कौन है जिसको नाम नहीं मालूम? Very good. Okay, good. Sheb is the winner right now. Who is Sheb? अच्छा नाम है, कौन है? Next question. Your teacher teach.
It's me, Shiva.
Okay. Your teacher teach. Okay. We can directly go with, okay, very good. People are knowing, that's good. The answer is communication skills. Again, now Zeba came, right? Zeba. शायद बेचारे क्या वो आंसर देने में उसका टाइम चला गया नहीं मेरे साथ बात करने में ओके कोई बात Now the third question, where does your teacher come from? Okay, people have given the answer, and the answer is Bharuch, Gujarat. And Zeba has given the answer. Zeba is still there. Next, which pet does your teacher have? Okay, two are still, or one is still there. You give the answer, 32 are there. Again, give the answer so I can go ahead. Okay, let us skip and see the answer. I mean, the right answer is none. I don't have pet, I have books. I don't need pet. Okay, here Smita came up. Well done, Smita. A teacher does which hobby? So I guess you don't need to. Oh wow, right now. Okay. Who is this playing music also there right now? But this is what we do. That's good. Reading and writing. Smita is still there. Wonderful. Where did your teacher go for vacation during summer? Yeah, definitely. People has given the answer. Let us keep. It is my own hometown, right? A city, mountain, beach. I like my own hometown. Nothing else. Okay. Next is 7. Which fun fact is true about your teacher? इसमें से कौन सा फैक्ट सही है for your teacher, which is funny also? I think answer has been given. Yes, it is because you can see on the face only that person like to eat sweets a lot. Okay, and that is true. Now the second last question. Things are, oh, Patel Pachi came, right? Wonderful, Patel Pachi. Now next, second last question. Are you excited to start a new year with him? Okay, so people have given the answer. Let us find out. All our answers are right. Why? Because it is you who decide, right? That it is not teacher will decide. It is you who will decide, right? Last question. Prachi is there. Cookie is also coming. Cookie has the highest answer streak of 8. Wonderful. True or false? Is she very rude? Okay. Two are saying yes. I'm sorry. अगर आपके में कोई कर्म मेरे ऐसे हुई तो माफ करना. Right? I'm just saying in public only. I'm sorry. लेकिन ठीक है. Very good. Right? Let us see who is there. Right? Know your teacher. ये इसमें कौन बना? Cookie was a on third position. Then Mansi is on second position, and Patel Prachi is the winner. Okay, wonderful. इसमें बहुत अच्छा म्यूजिक भी आता है. मेरे कंप्यूटर में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है अभी, वरना इट्स अ वंडरफुल म्यूजिक दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग. यू विल एंजॉय लाइक एनीथिंग, राइट? ओके, सो नाउ आप लोग भी अपने घर पे ऐसे नाच लेना 3, बाकी सब भी नाचना, बिकॉज हम लोगों ने मजा किया. सी, दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच यू कैन डू इट फॉर योरसेल्फ at school level, at college level also, because everybody is curious about knowing their teacher, right? So this is a fun way of sharing your own information with your student, and that is also exciting, right? Okay, clear? So this is one of the way to share your own information, and this is one more Kahoot. So with this, I'm signing it off. Thank you very much for your time. Okay. One more class is required to just explain you how you will need to write an examination and what other softwares you can think of. If you want to learn this software, try YouTube. And if you're facing the problems in using that software, even after trying on internet and YouTube, come to us, we will help you out. Or just text us, we will help you out. Okay? Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good day.
Have a good day.
हेलो सर.
हाँ बोलिए.
हाँ, आपने वो रूड वाला बोला ना.
हाँ.
अभी किसने चूज
हाँ.
किया था? उसमें मैंने ही चूज किया था, पर आपने ट्रू और फॉल्स बोला ना, तो मैंने क्वेश्चन देखे बिना ही पहले वाले में टिक कर दिया कि ये ट्रू ही होगा.
You don't have to give explanation. This was just masti only, right? It is the perception of you, and I have to accept it, right? Okay, tell you. Anyone? Please request you.
हेलो सर.
Okay.
सर ये कहूत में लाइव कैसे क्रिएट करना है गेम?
There is a way of doing. If you want, I'll share the video. Okay.
ओके सर. ओके, मैंने स्टार्ट किया लेकिन वो ऑफलाइन मींस लाइव वाला नहीं है.
I'll do it. I'll help you.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
चलिए quickly remove, leave that meeting quickly.